A rain gauge is a very simple, easy to use tool to help you make irrigation decisions in your landscape. The way it works is that you want to put it in an unobstructed location in your landscape, and then the rainwater will collect in the little tube. Plants in general need about 1 inch of water per week for normal healthy plant growth. So the way that you use the rain gauge is that if we get a 1 inch of rain, you can tell by the rain gauge how much water was in the rainfall event, and then you can make your decision on irrigating your landscape. For example, if we got 1 inch of rain, you wouldn't need to irrigate for the week. But sometimes it rains and we just get a little sprinkle. If you check the rain gauge and it's just like 1/8 of an inch or something very small, you still may need to irrigate. So be sure to check your plants in that situation. The way that you install the rain gauge is very simple. You just put it into the landscape in a place that is unobstructed, so not under any trees, and then check it, and each time it rains and fills up with water, just dump it out so you can reset the rain gauge.